Hello everybody, welcome to today's video and the third video in my Kraft-Mas card series, and this is also the September edition of the monthly colour combo card challenge that I set up with Donna Jackson over at Create and More, Crafts and More with Donna Jackson. And we've also got some lovely ladies and a lovely gent joining us. We have Andrew and Angie from Rags, Tags and Confections. We have Crystal Cleveland. And we have Tony from Kate's Crafty Closet. I'll link all their channels below, so please head over, give them some some YouTube love, and subscribe to their channels, because they'll be doing this monthly challenge with me every month. Now, as you know, I've missed the past 8 months because I've been sick, but I'm back and I'm taking part from this point on. This month's colours were Craft, Light Blue and White. So there are my colours, White, Light Blue and Craft. And keeping with my theme of my series this week, it's going to be a Christmas card. I'm going to be using a couple of stamp sets from maymaymadeit.com, and let's Celebrate the Season, which is an 8x10 set, and a 6x4 set which is called Sit-in Tree. So I'm going to be using those two stamp sets. I'm going to be using Art Glitter Glue, Nouveau Hybrid Acorn Brown, VersaFine Black, Broken China Distress Ink, my lovely ink blending tool from Shell. Her husband makes these. I'm not sure if they still do them, because I know she doesn't have a store anymore, but I'll link Shell's YouTube channel below and you can always send her a message. They're hand carved and they are beautiful, so if you're interested, give Shell a shout. I'm going to be using a Signo white pen. I'm going to be using some correction liquid and obviously some ink stamp blocks. So let's get started. I need my first inset. Now, traditionally, before I was poorly, I used to always give out the card measurements, but I just think it's so important for you to just do a card that suits you. I'm doing 5x7. If you want to do 6x4, C6, A2, do whatever suits you. But I'm going to use this Broken China. This is the nice light blue distress ink, and I'm going to use my blending tool, and I'm going to go over this Kraft colour cardstock. Now I want this to kind of be a blue sky, but a winter blue sky. So obviously blue skies in winter can be a bit grey brown, and as you can see, compared to the white paper, it doesn't show up as light blue, but I think it gives it a really nice effect. So that's that done. So let me put that away. Okay, and then we're going to move on to the tree. Now I'm going to be using the tree from May stamp set, Sit-in Tree, and I'm going to be using the Nouveau Hybrid Acorn Brown. And I'm going to stamp that towards the bottom, because as you can see here, I haven't brought the blue all the way down. So I'm going to place that just at the bottom there and press down. Oh, I didn't get it quite enough in the middle, but not to worry. That's my fault, not the stamp. I just didn't press enough in the middle. Okay, now using my Signo pen, I am going to colour in, so to speak, where snow would hit. So I'm going to crack on with this, and I'll be back with you shortly. And see where the ink hasn't caught it, where I didn't press firm enough in the middle, I'm going to colour that section in using a brown colouring pencil, just to fill it in, so you can see that there is a tree there, and it gives me a guideline as well. If it doesn't stamp out perfectly, don't stress about it. You can just get a pen or a pencil and colour it in. One other thing I will mention is don't forget to comment on this week's videos, because there's going to be 2 hidden giveaways. You're not going to know which videos I'm going to choose, but all the comments from the 2 videos that I choose will be going in for a competition to win a bag of goodies, craft goodies. So just leave a comment in each video, and then I will choose a video, and then the comments from that video will be placed in a drawer. So there's the tree done, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Merry Christmas sentiment from I can't remember what the name of this one is now, from Celebrate the Season, the Merry Christmas sentiment. I'm using the Versified black ink. I'm going to place that just above the tree. And I'm going to let that dry because I'll be coming back to it. But going on to the correction liquid, I am going to use these as snowflakes. Now I did this technique on a Christmas ornament over on my sister's channel, Crafts, no, what's my channel? I can't remember what my channel name is now. Create at Home with Elf Creations. And then the lovely Tony done it on a card or a technique tip video he did a few months ago. And I think it's a great tip. It's cheaper than using your Signo, and you get the same effect. Okay, so that's that. Now going back to the Merry Christmas. It's over. And I am going to go back in, and on the Merry Christmas, don't know why I just turned it all around there, crafters, but there you go. And I'm going to fill in as if the snow had fallen on the wording too. I just think this is quite a little cute touch. Let's bring over our card base. Now I'm going to adhere a light blue piece of cardstock as my first inlay, and then let's attach the craft colour. There we go, and that is today's card. Now that was using colours Craft, light blue and white. So let me just show you the previous cards from earlier in the week. So here's Monday's card, so if you want to check out this card, the link will be below. Here's Tuesday's card. And obviously here's today's card. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up if you wish, and I will see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to head over and join the other crafters and their videos today. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.